What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like always, my name is Fizzle, your favorite Liberian boy. In today's video, we are in Vai Town. I'm presently sitting in a park. Now, this is the park that was built for Vai Town, and when you sit in this park, you can see the Providence Island from here. But that's not what we're going to be doing in today's video. In today's video, a subscriber commented on my last video about the Robertsfield Highway and asked me to show them Vai Town. So in today's video, I'm going to be flying over Vai Town, showing you what Vai Town looks like in Liberia, because I noticed one thing. This is another side of Liberia that hasn't been highlighted enough. I don't think content creators love crossing the bridge. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you Vai Town, maybe Vai Town traffic, because the traffic is mad over here. Do you understand? Getting to this park was very hectic. Without further ado, let's get right into the video, guys. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage from Vai Town to Freeport. Freeport as a whole strike me as like the industrial side of Liberia, you know, because you have a lot of warehouses there, a lot of shops that sell in wholesale goods, and you have obviously the Freeport of Monrovia where the ships arrive and dock. When I'm talking about ships, I'm talking about the ones that bring the containers, our food, our cars and stuff, because I don't know what percentage it is, but a lot of things are imported to Liberia. Do you understand? I don't know if we are growing anything or making anything within the country as of now, and I stand to be corrected, but a lot of things are being imported into Liberia. Do you understand? So when I think about that across side, across is like, they call it across because you have to cross the bridge to go to the other side of Liberia. When I think about across side, the only thing I think about is like, you know, factories, warehouses, shops, the Freeport containers, you know, trucks, you understand? And that's what that part of Liberia remind me about. I wanted to take it as far as Virginia, but you know, the traffic was massive. That's the very first thing. And every time I put a drone up, somebody comes to ask me, what's that? You understand? So I didn't have the space to fly a drone from Vai Town to Virginia, which of course is a very long distance, because we covered from Vai Town to Freeport. It was going to be from Freeport to Douala, then Virginia or St. Paul Bridge. Do you understand? But we couldn't reach that far. Maybe next time we will do a video from Freeport to Virginia so you can see what the road looks like there. You get to see Looking Town and all the other places. Comment down in the comment section if you would like to see a video about, you know, these places that I'm mentioning, and comment down in the comment section if you would like to see a video or drone footage of other parts of Liberia that you might have lived whilst you were here in Liberia. With that being said, my name is Fizzle, your favorite Liberian boy. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.